come on, let's
So it
set him
looks
on
better
fire.
on fire.
Let's set him on fire.
In the
This
house.
place smoking.
What?
Set them on fire in the house.
Yeah, why not? It shouldn't burn it down.
Well, you know, these guys have been looking for a little home improvement.
I know, right?
Gotta get rid of the carpet somehow. I'm sure the fire insurance is paid up.
Wow.
Whoa.
Watch out, Kai. Back up.
Be careful then.
Oh, I won't get him. I won't smash up his guitar. That's his job. If he wants to. I always said Hawaii inspired me to want to fire dance one day.
You think?
Yeah.
The
It's
Polynesian
like, those
culture.
boys don't know how it's done. I gotta go teach them one day.
Polynesian cultural set. Those were the
I've never been back, yeah.
I want to get through.
What?
I want to get through.
Okay.
Those are really hard.
Yeah.
Whoa.